we are going to see about hierarchies and drill down options. Before going to a demo, I want to explain what is an hierarchy is. All this business intelligence reporting tool is all about seeing the data at the aggregate level or higher level. And only when required, we need to navigate to the underlying levels. The data are stored at the least levels. In this case, you have a data hierarchy where you have data stored at the day level, and we can summarize to year level. So once we see the data at year level, then we can go to quarter, month as well as day levels. So this is the main purpose when you have a hierarchy in place. Similarly, we have a product hierarchy where you have categories, casual and formal, and underneath you have item level. So let us see how this hierarchy works in Power BI using a demo. So this is our dashboard that we have built already, and currently we are seeing no hierarchy in the item, and we have a hierarchy in the year. Let's have a hierarchy for the item now. Now we are seeing it item. I want to create a hierarchy like category on top of it. So just go to category name, drag and drop that column and put on top of item name. So Power BI immediately creates an internal hierarchy, item category name, and you I just want to explain it. So we have casuals formal here, that is our category. Same thing over here, casuals formal, and jeans levies, jeans denim. So if you want to see those things, just right click on it and go to drill down. So jeans levies, jeans denim will be displayed. For that government business, you can see at the top level, then you can narrow down to, that is drill down to is bottom level. When you on to go up, just press drill up. It's like a drill down and drill up. Let's see by year hierarchy. So we are in 2019. When I want to go drill down to quarter level, so I can see further drill down to month level. Now I can see at the month level. Drill up to navigate to higher levels. I hope I'm clear with the hierarchies. Now let us see, like I'm removing this hierarchy for now. There is no tabs for hierarchies, I mean the icons. Now you can see the hierarchies. Only if you have multiple levels, you can find that icons. So some people wants to drill down on clicking it. So to do that, click on that. That's a magic. So this is the main purpose of this drill down on click. Instead of doing drill down, right click and drill down. So this is about drill down mode is on, and there is another option, like next option is like when you click on it, I want to just move next level directly. Go to the next level in the hierarchy. That is the second option. What happens is, like if you see the left hand side, you just moving to the next level irrespective of the hierarchy path. So just next level into it. I will explain it by time chart. So when you click on it, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, it doesn't say which year. This is absolutely wrong. And this month also, it doesn't say which quarter, which year. So this option is little risky when it comes to a time chart. So for that, instead of that, if you go next level in the one level in the hierarchy, all down one level in the hierarchy, it along with the year you find Q1, Q2 and Q3, Q4 and Q1 again. Now here we have seen multiple options in drill down icons. Now explicitly we want to create an hierarchy. Now the sales date is by default, Power BI has detected the date name and created the hierarchy. For product category, I want to explicitly create. How to create? The sales date, it's by default. If you see the hierarchy over here. So for the category, what I need to do is right click on it, click on new hierarchy, and you have a top level, and under this you drag and drop item name. You just drag and drop item name, then you will get the your bottom level there. So I will remove these two individual items. Instead, I will use the hierarchy here. Now that's all. So the main purpose of creating this hierarchy is like you will use it in many calculations. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Do remember that data is your asset.